Hello friends, I'm Jeff. Today I want to show you a great Sany pump truck of 39 meters. It was produced in 2021 and its original paint is original condition. It's Sany chassis and the length of the whole machine is around 10 meters. And let's check the working conditions. As you can see, the pumping hours are 847 hours. It's getting hot today. Let's go to the cab enjoying the air conditioner. And you can see the cab is very clean and tidy. It looks like the owner likes it very much. If you are interested in it, please contact me. Our price will not let you down.